9 strangest planets ever discovered in galaxy. Toroidal Planet. The toroidal planet has a donut-like structure, which means there is a big hole in the middle. It may sound ridiculous and unbelievable, but what's more freaky is its gravitational force. The surface gravity on the toroidal planet depends on the location. It is weakest along the inner and outer equators and strongest near the poles and towards the center. Not only the gravity but also the days and nights on this donut-shaped planet are strange as well. Both the nights and days are extremely short, creating a different atmosphere. Imagine going to the office and returning home for a few couple hours, just to get ready for the office again. Celt-11b Planet. This is an exoplanet orbiting around the subgiant yellow star by the name of Celt-11. It is one of the inflated and puffiest planets ever discovered by scientists. It is because of the close orbiting distance with its parent star. Celt-11b has a radius 1.37 times larger than that of Jupiter, which is the largest planet in our solar system. Initially noticed in 2016 but has been confirmed recently that this planet has an atmosphere containing subsolar amounts of water vapor. However, life on the planet cannot exist due to significant amounts of hydrogen cyanide, titanium oxides, and aluminium oxides, which are poisonous to life forms that live on Earth. Coro7b Planet. The planet has a mass 5 times that of the Earth, but this is not what makes the planet awesome. It is the closest known exoplanet to its host star, which as a result makes it the fastest. The space roller coaster is so close that it experiences extreme conditions. The Coro7b Planet orbits its star at a speed of more than 750,000 km per hour, completing the revolution in just 20 hours. Talking about extremes, the temperature in the day is around 2000 degrees and during the night time, it falls to -200. The planet wasn't technically discovered, rather it was detected photometrically by the French-led Coro mission in 2009. Some suggest that the planet may have lava or constant boiling oceans on its surface. Gliese 436b Planet. Gliese 436b was discovered back in 2004, but recently scientists realized that the planet is not normal. This planet is of the same size as Neptune and is trailed by a massive cloud of hydrogen. The red dwarf planet is 33 light-years away from Earth. The planet orbits around its host star in 3 days and gets 33 times closer to its star. This closeness results in the atmosphere expanding to the point that it escapes the planet's gravitational force. In other words, Gliese 436b loses its atmosphere to space, and thus a hydrogen cloud is formed. Concrete E, also known as Super-Earth, is about twice the size of our planet Earth and still manages to orbit around its host star in 18 days. The planet has a temperature of 2700 degrees Celsius. Astronomers called it a diamond planet because they thought that the planet was composed mainly of diamonds and graphite. Some think that the high temperature of 55 concrete E suggests that it is in a supercritical fluid state, which means the gases in the atmosphere are in a liquid-like state. J1407b Planet. This is the first discovered ringed planet found outside our solar system. Saturn was the only known planet to have rings until now. The superworld planet has a disk of 30-odd rings, and they are so vast that they could undoubtedly dominate our night sky. J1407b Planet is still an infant as it is only 16 million years old. Don't forget the Sun and the Earth are 4.5 billion years old. Hat P1b Planet. This exoplanet 2 is close to its host star, taking only 4.47 days to complete the orbit, and thus falls into the category of hot Jupiters. The planet is a gas giant that is primarily composed of hydrogen and helium. It means that Coro7b Planet does not have a well-defined surface. In other words, it is not a perfectly round planet but moves within a perfectly round orbit. Coro7b Planet. Located 750 light-years from Earth, the planet is a part of the Draco constellation. Coro7b was discovered in 2011 and is known as the darkest extrasolar planet ever identified, just like the Slytherin character in Harry Potter. This unique planet reflects less than 1% of any light that hits it, meaning this entire celestial body reflects less light than coal or black acrylic paint. Astronomers have no idea why the planet is so black. One theory states it could be the absence of reflective clouds that make Jupiter so bright. Kepler 16b Planet. Meet one of the least lonely planets in the universe. Instead of orbiting around one host star, it orbits around two in a double star system. What's cool is that you can enjoy two sunsets on the planet and is most likely cold and gaseous, not suitable for any life form. Kepler 16b and its two stars are located 200 light-years away from our habitable planet, Earth.